Hello guys, in today's video we will be making money with Shane, my friend, at Haunted Mansion. Yeah. Okay. So the best method to do this is to get a ray gun, pickaxe, and a grapple, and two backpacks. And I don't know why my arm is like that. What the heck? Okay. And then you're gonna want a you're gonna really, these like hip attachments, they're really good. He has only one because I'm just better like that. He's kind of trash. So you can talk. Okay, well, let's get into it. Shane, do you have everything you need? Stick the ray gun on your side, and then get a pickaxe. Do you need a pickaxe? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Here, get. Whatever. Wait, Shane, you should get 2 bags, and then put your pickaxe in one while you hold it. We're just gonna like stay there, and no, you don't need. Sure, yeah, bring 2. Whatever. I guess we'll just leave that other grapple gun. But actually, I think rockets are faster, to be honest. And I got 899K. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Ooh. Close. Ah! Stupid ogre. Shane, did you bring a light? Shane, did you bring a light?
What?
Did you bring a light?
No, I didn't bring a lot.
Okay, so the best way to get into the Haunted Mansion door is to I'm about to sneeze. The best way is to turn off your Wi-Fi, and then the door will disappear, and then get it like through the door, and then turn back on your Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna do that. It might cut the video, but who knows? Let's try. So just turn off your Wi-Fi, and once you are through, just turn it back on, and you should be good. Shane is gonna do the same too. And the best way to do this, I'll wait till he's already over. Okay. Get a grapple gun out. Okay. Come on. Oh, I already see a bunch of blue. Oh, dang, yeah. A lot of blue. Okay. So, what you want to do, you want to bring 2 backpacks. Shane, yeah, you just want to set one backpack down. You want to get your grappler and your pickaxe in whatever hand you want. And you want to go to every single ore and mine it. And keep mining until all of them are done. And then once you're done, we'll go from there. And that's why we have our ray gun, so we could get every single ore. And there's gonna be a lot on the edge. Comment down below 1 through 10 how you like the new update. Got that. Going on over here, and man, we already miled them. That was quick. Okay. Wait till he gets on up here. Okay, Shane. So now you want to drop your pickaxe and make sure these don't despawn. You want to collect every single orb. Once one backpack is full, then you get the other backpack and you leave the other backpack here. And then as you're getting that, if you need like that one over there, you're gonna need your ray gun.
Should we mine those?
Oh shoot, more just spawned. Oh yeah, go ahead and mine. I'm gonna collect them in the back so they don't despawn. See, like these, I don't need to use the heart gun. Is actually what it's called, but I'm just gonna collect every single one I can, just from using my grappler. And the blue ones do sell for quite a bit more. I think it's like 400 compared to 200. So, and a full bag of blue ones sell for 12,000. So, okay, you got that one. Almost got a whole bag here. Ah. Okay, I just need one more. Hey, and be careful using the ray gun around this part, and because you might fling some off. Okay, where are all those red ones on the edge? Yep, there we go. Okay, I just need one more in here, and then, oh yeah, there we go. So I got a lot of orbs. Okay, I got a whole bag full now, so I'm just gonna go leave it over here, and this might take a while. Normally we get it done faster. Shane, you gotta be careful. Oh wait, never mind. That was a blue ore. Okay, so that backpack is full. Get this one. Make sure these don't despawn. So, okay. So now I'm gonna start using my ray gun. Make sure you use it away. More to spawn. Okay.
More spawn.
I know. I got this one. Just gotta be careful though that we don't launch our stuff. Shane, if you wanna mine those, you can. Oh, more blue ones spawn down here.
You better die, man.
Ah. God, I can't get this one in. Okay. I almost have another bag full. Oh no. Okay, so we still have a little bit more room. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, there's more blue. I'm just gonna go get these so they don't despawn. I just put that right there. She's just gonna use this. Man, I mean, if you bring 6 bags with 2 people, you could fill it up pretty fast. They respawn fast. Really just need to grapple for this. Shane, is that your second bag?
That's my first one.
Oh. It's your first one? Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna mine these real quick. Okay, so that bag is full. Okay, Shane, you wanna start heading back? You want me or you? These 2 bags are full. We could just leave our pickaxes behind. Hey, did you hear me? Is that bag full?
This bag has nothing. No, it has nothing.
What do you mean?
Oh wait. Yes, never mind. That's good.
Yeah, it's almost full, Shane. Ah. Okay, so do you want to start heading back? No, don't use that bag. You do? Okay, here, take these 2. Give me that bag. Okay. Now.
No! What?
What? Wait, do you just throw it?
No, where'd it go?
Probably. Oh, I see it. Here, I can get it.
My ray gun. I'm gonna use my ray gun.
No, I'll use it. Oh. Shane, I got it. Shane, I got it. Shane, I got it.
Oh, you did?
No. Ah, jeez. Okay, here. Okay. Whenever you get down to where you have to do parkour to get up, just use the ray gun and do it full charge on blue, and you should be good. And then just wait to spawn for me, okay? Because I'll be done soon. Okay.
Wait, no. I'm gonna die if I go down right now.
Okay, then just wait. Wait. Really? That should be done. There's a pickaxe. And I mean, really, if I were you, I'd just leave your pickaxes behind. Jeez, there are more blue ones. Okay. Can I not? Okay. I'm gonna mine those and I'm gonna get them. Oh, shoot, no. Oof. Close catch. I should have my grappler out for this. Okay. So now, okay, so that bag is full. Okay. So I'm just gonna have him hold these 3 bags. Shane, where'd you go?
I'm in the...
Where are you at?
I'm about to use my full boost.
Okay, make sure to not sell. Okay. Just gonna hold this real quick. Jeez, there's more blue. That's crazy. I mean, dude, they just respawn so fast. Like, if you have a whole lobby of this, you will make bank. Where does that spot go? It's over here. Okay. Jeez, there's more blue. Well, I guess we're just getting blue today. Not today. But sure is a lot of blue. Okay, don't sell. Don't sell. I don't want him to sell because I want to show you guys how much you get from this. It is a ton. This is what I did to get all the money that I have now. And I forgot, down there, there's even more things that you can mine to get some. So, I mean, really, you will make a ton of money doing this. Dang, man, I mean, here's another patch of blue. Wow. Ouch. Okay, well, we don't need that anymore. Okay. Geez, more red. Oh, yeah, gotta get this blue. Just wait at selling machine for me, but don't sell. Okay, and we're almost done here. I don't know what I just got. I just got something. Ah. That. No. Ow. Just stubbed my toe. I'm doing this, we should have a whole full bag. Oh. Yep, full bag. Okay, well, let's go. So 4 full bags, 2 people. Oh gosh, I was wondering about getting that blue one. No, I died. You're joking. No. Oh my gosh. I just sold. I really did. Wow. I might have just died. Listen, I'll be right back though. I'll be right back. Don't sell. Make sure the bags don't despawn. No, wait, they don't stick right here. Yeah. Dang it, I think we lost a bag. Sorry guys, sorry about that. Oh dang it. I didn't even know I was low health. man. Just lost a whole bag. Wait, what? I have a bag? Oh, but there's nothing in it. Oh, yeah. From the rockets. Got one, and yeah, I didn't think so. Well, darn. And I lost my grappler. Okay, let's go down. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Shane, I'm on my way back. Well, I guess we'll just sell one bag. So you can see how much one bag is around worth. Okay. Okay, Shane. So, what? What is that? Okay, we're selling one bag at a time. Ah, dang it, bro. Okay. So, one bag sells for around 9,000. That is, whew, man. So if we would have got all four of those bags, we would have made roughly around 35, 36. Okay. Here, just give it to me. Just put it on your back. So that is the best way to make money. You can go faster. We're just doing it to show you guys. And that will be it for today's video. 920K. We're probably going to do that a couple more times. Okay, well, see you guys in the next video. See Shane sometime too. Okay, see ya. All right.